How to fix Android swipe up not working. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to fix the Android swipe up feature if it's not working, so make sure to watch until the end for the best results. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go ahead and open the settings on your device. Look for any available system or software update. Click on download and install. It will check for any updates, and if the updates are available, install them to ensure that any glitches or bugs are fixed. And after the updates are installed, check if the swipe up feature is now working again. If it's still not functioning, return to the settings menu, scroll down, and then go to Accounts and Backup. Tap on it. Here you will see the option of backup data, restore data, and in the bottom there is also the option of reset. So first of all, what you have to do is simply back up all the data in your mobile device and then go ahead and tap on reset. When you tap on erase data, all the data on the device will be cleared, and performing a factory reset should help resolve this swipe up issue. And if the problem still persists after the reset, try restarting your entire device. Press and hold the power button and then hold the center button and swipe up to restart. After the restart is done, check again if the swipe up feature is working. And if it still does not work, it may be best to contact your device manufacturer for the further assistance. So I hope these steps have been helpful. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.